back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today I want to show you a very exciting drink that you can drink in the afternoon. It'll give you some energy and it's fairly healthy. So it consists of some green tea or the tea of your choice, some bananas, and some Nestle's Quick. So pretty simple, and you can also put some milk in there too. So I have Barb's milk, so we'll use this. This is for her coffee. Or I could open up a can of coconut milk. I have that. Let's try this. Just see how this works. So here we go. The first thing we want to do is we want to take a banana, just like this. Now these bananas are ripe, and it says, from what I've read on the internet, to use ripe bananas. So I have let these go, and I have let them get ripe. Now, just need to get this off my fingers. So we have the banana in there. Let's just use one banana for the two drinks. Then we have some Nestle's. Now you could use this with just milk. You could use this with just tea. You know, your options of making this are, you're kind of flexible. So here's the tea that I made already. Let's pour a little bit in to get it to start dissolving things. Now this is green tea, you know, which has a strong taste to it. So you want to put something else in like I'm doing there. This is the box that I got from the grocery store for the green tea. And then I have some milk, about that much. I think it's actually about a half a cup of milk. And I'll post all these ingredients on my website, which is right below on YouTube where it says more, or at jamestdds.blogspot.com. So I'll have the ingredients there. While I'm thinking of it, right now in the lower right hand corner is a subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. I'm on a drive to get my first 1,000 subscribers. And hit the bell, you'll get notified when I have a new video. So I have this in. Now you can put other things in here too, but this is basically what I found in my research. And I'm not sure how it's going to taste, so we'll find out. This is a little noisy, and I live in a condo, so I like to put this thing on top of here so it doesn't make a lot of noise. Use any blender you have. I have two of them. I have this one and the regular blender. And you basically want to let it go until it stops chunking. You'll feel it as you're using it. It's going chunk, 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 chunk. Okay, let me just take this off here. Put it on the other one. I want to put this milk away before I forget. It's a little warm in here with all the studio lights, so I like to try to keep cold things cold. See, I could feel it moving around, so I knew it wasn't done yet. Now it looks like it's done. So here we go. Just take this little doodad off here. And then we have these little white rings that go on here so you could drink it. Barb, do you want to come over and taste this?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what you think. Hope it's good. Hope it's not bad. If it's not good, we'll pour it down the drain.
Oh.
I gave the popsicles to the kids across the hall yesterday. I says, these are really, really good, but if you don't like them, just throw them out.
Oh.
Let's see how it tastes. Tastes like banana, Nestle's Quick, and green tea. Actually tastes pretty good, doesn't it? Okay, we'll go with this. I'm going to make this like during the day, during the week. cheap, easy tea. That's just quick. A little bit of milk. I'll have to buy a little more milk. I kind of buy these cans.
I wonder if like a flavor
Oh, absolutely.
tea would.
Oh, absolutely.
And I have all those flavored ones.
I do too. I agree.
I got
Probably
that.
could use Tang. Do the same thing with Tang. I buy these cans. Like here, see here, this is coconut milk.
Mhm.
So what's nice about it is you don't have to keep it refrigerated. You know, when you buy it like
Is
this.
that for like hot chocolate?
This is yeah, I think this is for making chocolate milk. I
Or
think for
chocolate
kids.
milk? Oh, so I could use chocolate milk.
You know what else you could
Or
use too, probably?
That chocolate syrup.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I didn't think to try that. I have this in here. I like bought it to do a recipe and then haven't used it since. But you probably could use this.
I was thinking like what it is. Like,
I don't know.
difference.
I'm gonna say this is success.
Wow. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Very good.
All right. Back to my show. We're ready in progress. Ah, that's good. That's my show for the day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you every day at like 2:30 in the afternoon when I go to make this. Bye for now.